I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start on the host machine. Make sure Parsec is updated so new controller pass-through works. Plug or pair both controllers to the host. USB is more reliable than Bluetooth. Once done, open Parsec settings and enable Gamepad plus controller pass-through so inputs forward to the guest. This ensures the host OS won't intercept one controller. Now launch the game, but don't join the session yet. You need the host prepared to accept two distinct controller inputs. Now connect from the guest device and accept the host session. You must assign players. Some games auto-detect multiple controllers, others need manual mapping. If the game recognizes only one device, use a virtual wrapper like X360C or ViGem to create a second virtual controller on the host and map inputs. Make sure each controller is assigned uniquely, player 1 versus player 2, so inputs don't conflict. Test with the game's controller screen to confirm both are active before starting gameplay. Start the game and verify control. Press buttons on each controller to confirm separate player responses. If you see duplicated inputs, go back to Parsec settings and toggle controller pass-through, then remap in-game. Sometimes switching USB ports fixes identification. If a controller disconnects, repair it or restart Parsec on the host. This refreshes pass-through. One key troubleshooting tip: when one controller won't appear, create a virtual controller on the host and map.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.